Hello and welcome to Bignubnumismatics. Today I'm going to be discussing whether you should consider rare coins as investments or alternatives to stacking bullion or just holding cash. I want to start off by first saying that I personally don't put money into coins as investment purposes. I think it's more for the enjoyment of the coins and the history they represent, and if I make a few bucks in my personal collection long term, that's just a bonus. Now obviously, dealing in them, you want to buy and sell for a profit, but you can do that with anything. That doesn't mean you're going to invest in Pokemon cards for your retirement. Now, rare coins are pretty broad range. There's a lot of people who enjoy them, a lot of variety in those people. You have young kids with 10 bucks to their name to uber rich billionaires. And the large auction companies usually have a buy at price for anything. If you ever need to get rid of your coins, you can call up any number of heritage auctions, Stax Bowers, or sell it to other collectors yourself, which is made pretty easy by eBay and Great Collections and overall social media in general. So it's very liquid. You also have third-party authentication for the big number coins and really a following around them. If you invest in a $10,000 coin, for 99.99% of coins, that is probably going to be top pop or vying for top pop across the entire series. So you're really looking at cream of the crop coins, and you can really put together a special collection if you put as much money towards coins as your retirement, for your retirement. You also have a lot more fun, I think, than just holding on to money, because you get to, the series kind of make their own goals. Get one of every single one in a high enough grade that you can afford. That's nice, eye-appealing, and really the market rewards nice sets. One of the things you have to stay away from are the niche collector's items and fads. So those can make you a lot of money in the short term and really long term, but is it as steady as just common date Morgan dollars in 64 and 65? Definitely not. If you take a look at large cents, a lot of the early Sheldon types, people collect them Sheldon number by Sheldon number. So there's quite a few, dozens from the same date, and a lot of younger collectors don't really seem to be interested in collecting them that way. So you're seeing, even in an extremely hot market like we have now, those 2 or 3 coins known of that type are just not selling for even what they were bought for, you know, a decade or two ago. So if you're looking to invest, you really want to get a lot of mass appeal, like a 1909 SVDB, the key dates, 1916D Mercury dime. I think those are the best investment coins per se. And a lot of the really high-end coins, you're also going to get people who don't care about the economy anyway. So the majority of the coin market is common date Morgans, unfortunately. So if people can't afford to eat food or drive, they're not going to be putting money into nice coins. So overall, I think there's definitely some merit to them being used as investments. There's certainly lots of wealthy people who view them that way and throw their money into it. And it's certainly nice that we have a hobby that you can spend a lot of money and get it back out pretty reasonably. Versus silver, that's pretty volatile. It's determined really not by collectors or stackers. It's by countries and mega corporations that can really clamp down on all of those. Coins have a lot of competition. If Heritage Auctions decides tomorrow that they're going to be selling gold double eagles for $3,000, there's plenty of people who would be willing to sell them for $2,300, so they can't really get away with that. Silver also has like a constant fear, I guess is the right or a term you can use about what's going to happen. It's never really enjoyment of the silver. It's with, if something happens, I can get rid of it quickly. And I think coins, being able to enjoy them is another benefit of investing long term. So those are my thoughts. I know probably a dozen people who put lots of money into coins as investment purposes that have turned collectors, but there's certainly still some who put money into coins that don't really care about the hobby. And I think while it helps short term, in a hot market, I don't think it's good long term. But let me know what you guys think. How do you guys view coins as investments? And are you one of the people who actually invest retirements into coins? Thanks for watching. Bye.